Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the VEJA RIO Brancos. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the VEJA, or VEJA, but people in the industry, like shoe industry, they pronounce it VEJA. So I'm unsure personally. Obviously, I think I should go with the people in the industry, but I'm not someone in the industry. So we got these RIO Brancos Alveo Mesh Paro Oro, and these are a European 42, it's a UK 7.5, and it's a US men's 8.5. So, and it says that these VEJAs, the RIO Branco, the name itself is Brazilian, but these sneakers are made in Brazil. So there you go with the VEJA box. I think I'm going to keep doing that in this video, so I apologize that I'm going to do two pronunciations. It's one of those brands that have just shot up these recent years. It's like on running, a bit more quieter. I don't see a lot of people wearing VEJAs anymore. I see loads of people wearing it on runnings, but VEJAs, they still have their moment in time. Very popular shoe, very under the radar, very casual. It's for the general population. Like, you're not really given for sneakerheads, but if you appreciate footwear, you'll probably wear a pair of VEJAs. So we've kind of got the runners, and they look like retro 70s. And what's great is it comes with this little like newsletter of the VEJA story. So, you know, what's great is that they are trying their best to reduce carbon emissions, use natural resources. So a lot of their rubbers, for example, are natural rubbers and found in the Peruvian Brazilian and Peruvian landscapes. They try to be sustainable as well. So you've got all of it here. So you've got the CO2 emissions, like a glossary there of the materials, and it's all made in Brazil, fair trade and social inclusion, which is great for a company to have. So I'll just fold that up. And let me get into it, because I've mentioned it's retro sneaker vibe right here. So you can see by the silhouette, the shape of the sneaker, it's like the old school Nikes, Internationalists, or the old racers as well from the 70s, hence the design. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole has the VEJA traction support system right here. It's like little pods, nubs there for the traction. And again, this is an all rubber outsole made with that great Amazonian rubber that is so fully detailed in that newsletter as I've showed before. And you got a little VEJA logo there. Midsole unit is just a foam midsole. As I mentioned about VEJA being a brand that uses naturally resourced materials, the foam itself is made out of sugarcane. Well, it's 52% of sugarcane, which is great that it's not using a lot of artificial waste and producing a lot of waste even. And it's plus it's biodegradable. Like any waste that is made from the sugarcane, it can be eroded. I think I'll use the right words. I'm not that great at science, guys. I'm so sorry. The upper is where we look at all the great materials. So VEJA have called the knit that's underneath, it's Alveo Mesh. Hope I pronounced that right again. And you got cuts of suede there. You can see it on the panels. Toe box, for instance. The lace paneling, and back there at the heel. While you were looking at the heel, so you got the nice yellow VEJA there in the leather, and you got the suede cut here underneath. Middle of the body, right there. Again, it's just made of that mesh, and you've got a leather V, very recognizable nowadays, the VEJA's V on the sneakers. So we kind of cheated because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, these come unlaced, but I feel like we want to show you what they look like laced on, and it takes a while to lace, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see me lace up a pair of sneakers, even though we can do the editing technology and all that. Before we'll give you what it should look like when they come out of the box. So they come with these flat laces. You got a suede tongue as well with the VEJA logo embossed. So this insole is made out of a plethora of materials. So you've got sugarcane and rubber all mixed there to provide that comfort. All that said, it kind of reminds me of the Brazil flag, not the green bit, but the blue and yellow. And it kind of does look like a Brazilian colorway. Like if you think of the Brazil's second kits for their football team, it's blue and yellow. The real Ronaldo, his R9s were blue and yellow, so that's a great shout there as well. I'm not trying to push a Nike discussion here. This is truly VEJA. I believe that this is our first VEJA, so I have no expectations going into the on feet review, so it's going to be a genuine response from my part. You're going to see how I feel about the sneakers, the comfortability, etc. So with all that said, let's roll that footage of me trying these Rio Brancos on. When it comes to the fit, guys, maybe it's just me, but I believe I should have got a half size down. There's a bit of space. My toes aren't at the very top. There's a bit of a gap in between my toe and the tippy top there. And it kind of feels a bit loose, but that's just me. Maybe it's because I'm wearing a bit thinner socks than I usually wear. But other than that, they are comfy. They feel like a vintage runner. They give me that feel as well once I put them on. Very easy to style. Currently I'm just wearing, as you can see, I'm wearing plain black jeans, so go ahead, wear shorts. Even though we're coming out of summer by the time of this recording, shorts look great with these sneakers on, wear jeans, keep that classic look. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz. That's with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.